Everyone, I am Maghendra Singh from SAG Infotech, and today we will discuss about our software Cloud GST software. And our today's topic of discussion is GSTR-9C. So for the working purpose, first we need to mention the username and password over there. If you have your username and password, just enter the particular username and password and click on login. So once I log in, I enter the page, do the further relative processes, and then double click on the Gen GST option. Once I click on the Gen GST software, the screen is up here. This is the dashboard of our Cloud GST software. Now, for the working purpose, first you need to create a client creation over there where you can create the particular master. You can add it manually or you can directly import by this import by GSTN option. Once you create your client, you can go for the next option, which is the returns form. In returns form, you need to select the regular option and then select this GSTR-9. Before starting the GSTR-9 process, let's discuss that what is basically GSTR-9C is all about. So GST-9C is an audit form that was introduced on September 13, 2018, and it must be filed annually by the taxpayer. It also must be certified by the particular CA. It is basically a reconciliation statement between the annual return filed in GSTR-9 and the taxpayer audit annual financial statement. Nowadays there is some changes occur, like if I select the particular client and I enter the screen, you can check that there is two options: auditor recommendation and auditor. So basically this auditor certification option is mandatory only for the up to financial year 1920. Then from 21-22 it is not mandatory. So for the users, those users who having any kind of data for the particular financial year till 1920, they can use these options. So for the working purpose, first we select particular client and enter the page. When I enter the page, you can check that this is the first condition, which is the reconciliation of gross. When I click on this reconciliation of gross, I find out that here you need to mention your gross turnover information. You can check that there is blue color tab, which is the detailed tab. If you want to check the particular single detail about the particular gross, you can click there and just check the particular details. Like you can add the particular bill wise detail or other information. There is also an option which is where you can import the data from the Excel. Like if you want to export it, you can export these sheet in Excel, or if you want to import it, you can also import these details from the Excel itself or from the JSON. So after fill all the information about the reconciliation of gross, you can proceed for the next step, which is the reconciliation of taxable turnover, where you can see that this plus icon is also there, which indicates you the other information, which includes in particular this exempted nil amount. If you click on this particular question mark icon, you can check the information about this particular condition, as well as we mention it that from where you get the data. Like if I talking about this zero related supply information, then there is the option which is export supply, and if I click on this detail part, I can easily find out that where is the bill information, or if I want to add any bill, you can directly add the bill from there itself. After that, the next one option is reconciliation of tax paid. In reconciliation of tax paid, there is total two conditions, which is reconciliation of tax wise liability, and second one option is additional amount payable. So in this description, like when I click on this particular 0.1%, I can find out the description about this particular detail. Same option is there, that if I want to import the detail from here, I can import the detail from return option. Like if you already filed the return, you can import the return from import the detail from return to this option. After that, the next one option is additional amount payable. where same you can scroll it down, search the particular details that from these from where it get all these information and what the particular percentage is all about. So you can take check the particular total taxable amount and all these information. Once you check and confirm the all reconciliation of tax paid, the next option is reconciliation of ITC. When you click on this reconciliation of ITC, software show you the particular information like reconciliation of net, reconciliation of ITC on expenses, and tax payable due to difference in ITC. These are the three points which comes in particular reconciliation of ITC point. So just let it open. Now you can check that there is an option where you can check the description about the particular condition which comes in reconciliation of net. Like when I click on this plus icon, I can find out that ITC, what is the ITC available and what is ITC reversible. Or if I want to check this particular ITC available details, I click there, I can easily find out the detail like what exactly the ITC available comes in or what exactly the amount it basically. Same thing you can check for the other option, like if you click there, like if I click on this page, I can find out that here you can select the particular sections, and after selecting like it comes in ITC available or it comes in ITC reversible or net ITC available. Select the particular section. If you want to add the particular bill wise detail, just click on this add tab, mention your particular ITC CGST related details one by one, and then click on save. So this is the simple process according to which you can add your particular reconciliation related information. After that, if you want to proceed further, there is one more option which is reason for unreconciled difference in ITC. Here we give you one plus icon where you can directly mention your particular reasons if you want to mention. After adding all these information, if you want to import the detail, same option is there that you can import the detail from the return. The next one part is reconciliation of ITC on expenses. When I click on this reconciliation of ITC or expenses, it show me the particular total amount of ITC, amount of particular eligible ITC available. And when I click on these particular icons, I can find out that from what is the purchase detail is all about, what is the power fuel details or where it comes to. You can check these particular information and then update these details. There is one more option that if you want to import it, then you can also import from the return tab. Next option is tax payable due to difference in ITC. Now here you can check the particular tax due to difference in ITC. If any difference is there, you can check the particular amount from there, or if you want to import it, you can use this option for import purpose. After cross-checking all details or verify the details, click on this save tab and then go for the final option, which is e-return filing. When you click on this e-return filing, software asks you the particular trade name. So select the particular trade name, select the particular file if you want to add any file, and then just cross-check your all figures. Once you click on this generate tab, software generate this kind of JSON file, or if there is any error in particular file, you can just cross-check the error directly by this error report option. You can download the particular error file from the portal. There is one option, upload documents. Like if you want to upload any relevant documents, you can add your balance sheet, profit and loss, or other documents, expenditure statement document if you want to add. There is an option upload to GST. You can directly upload here to the GSTN. This is also one of the option where you can add, there is one condition that if you comes in particular condition, then you need to, add these documents. So after entering all these information, you can directly upload your return. There is one more option, which is the software preview draft wise. Like if you want to take a preview, so here's the preview that whatever details you enter, you can just take out one complete preview about your particular GSTR-9C. And after cross-checking all, If you want to click on proceed, you can directly click on proceed, mention the particular username, password, submit it, and then you can directly update or upload your particular GSTR-9C on portal. So this is the very simple process of creating the 9C from the software. Or if you have any kind of queries related about this 9C or any other, you can call us on our number, which is 0141 4072 000, or you can also drop a mail on our mail ID, which is info@saginfotech.com. Thank you and have a nice day.